inked.
ಓ ಇದು ಚೊಂಬು.
Yes, yes. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ತು.
ಚೊಂಬು ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
ಅದನ್ನು ಚೊಂಬು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಮೆಷಿನು
ಓ
ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟರ್ಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೊಂಬಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಚೊಂಬು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ the certificate which he issues that saying that he is a scientist. The department, the universities have issued a certificate saying that he is never
ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಚೊಂಬ?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಚೊಂಬು.
Yes, madam, where is the senior?
It's out of station.
Out of station. File final report, we'll see, we'll hear.
Yes, Lordship may record that submission.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೊಂಬಲ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು?
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇನೋ
ಆಸೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಚೊಂಬಲ್ ಏನ್ ಆಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
One submission, my lord. This court, while quashing against some of the accused people, have given us the liberty to investigate and directed them to cooperate.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have found material. We are implicating them also as an accused.
Please do that. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಬಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
Lordship,
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು.
see that order. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Page 42.
Prosecution should not lean towards the accused, sir. Yes. ಇದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವರು?
We are now including them all, in making them also as an accused.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತ. ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. This court on 14/1/2026 had passed the following order. Filing of the final report was directed not to be done without the leave of the court. This was on the score that the investigation had taken a long time. Therefore, the prosecution shall now file its final report before the concerned court. The petitioner is at liberty to challenge the same either by, since the interim order is subsisting, either by an amendment or by filing a fresh petition as the case would be. Yes.
Your Lordship, record my submission, my lord, because tomorrow.
The learned additional SPP would further submit that as against the petitioner or several others which the coordinate bench had quashed the proceedings, also reserved liberty, ಇವರೇ petitioner ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Different petitioner.
Also reserved liberty to take action against the accused in the event of need. The learned additional SPP submits that against all others also appropriate steps are being taken to draw them into the web of crime. As against the petitioner.
As again, not against the petitioner.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
ಅವರೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
ನೋಡಿ ಶತಭಿಷ್ ಇದೆ.
FIR is quashed. Liberty is reserved in favor of the respondent.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನೀಗ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್.
Respondent number 1 police to complete the investigation. I am directed to participate in the investigation. The direction, my lord, is to investigate as against other accused persons, not as against me.
ಇವ ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
I've seen the paragraph.
It says that he is directed to cooperate.
I am
He has
directed
cooperated.
to cooperate
And
in
now we
order
have
to
found
hold
material.
other accused persons, not my
ಅಲ್ಲ
lord.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್?
The matter that
ಅಲ್ಲ
we are
ಯು
referring-
ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್
No,
ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
different.
ಇವ್ರು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟಾ?
No, no.
Iವರು, he was one of the accused in the cartel. He came before this court saying that there is no specific contract against me.
ಕಾರ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು, it's a big cartel.
ಚೊಂಬುಗೇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಲ್?
It's a big cartel. ಚೊಂಬದೆ cartel ಈಗಲೇ ನಡೀತಾರೆ.
ಸರ್,
Lord, there is no allegation in so far as I am concerned. What happened, my lord, this honorable court quashed the petition. Subsequently, my lord, there is another liberty that appropriate action may be taken against this petitioner in similar circumstance. So what they do, they exploit that liberty also and register a second FIR against me. That second FIR
challenge
also, my
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
lord, is challenged, it is quashed. Goes before the honorable apex court, both matters are dismissed. Now, my lords, if a submission is made.
Oh, then
that-
ಬೇಡ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ.
No, now whatever evidence we found, we are placing it to the court. Let the court take cognizance.
That I will not observe anything.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Please.
ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ SPP ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ಬೇಡ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you don't need an observation at all.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Because
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Filed it, my lords, because they made a submission.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
no, I did not
ಅದು
know.
ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
I did not know that. If no, but in any case, there is an
Whatever
evidence.
finding that is already rendered and affirmed by the apex court, then it becomes.
So this court only said, your lordship has seen this order. This
ಅದು
court said-
ನೋಡ್ದೆ, that I saw.
Correct.
That's a different thing, but he says second FIR was registered after that.
Second
That is
FIR
quashed and that
somebody
goes to the
else- but
Supreme
somebody-
Court.
Second FIR was
Some of the
registered by
victim-
somebody else.
Some of the victim, my lords, not the same victim.
In the same FIR, my lord, in the
Some
complaint,
of the victim.
it speaks about different victims. This court has an opinion saying that there's no specific court act. If the other people are involved in, they can file a separate FIR.
It is
Of course,
the
did not use the word separate FIR. This
They
court said
register-
that use appropriate remedy. So there, other victim came and filed a complaint that was registered. That was challenged by them. This court quashed it saying that the Liberty was not to register an FIR. That's completely different issue. In the prime,
First
But-
complainant, my lords.
But anyway, whatever steps you can take in law, you take.
yes,
They will have the remedy. ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಯಾರು that ಪುನೀತ್?
Puneet Kerehalli. In total 33 cases he is involved.
On the basis of my lords,
ಓ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಾ?
Mangalore ಇತ್ತು.
Objections.
ಓ ಎಸ್, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು? ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್
Facebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3:05ಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ, 3:06ಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ
1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
3:06ಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Social media.
ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್
posts.
ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ Facebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಲೋಡ್ಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ 14. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
ಅದು
ನೋಡಿ.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು.
You should.
He is not cooperating with the investigation, my lord. In
ಸ್ಟೇ
spite
ಇದೆ,
of
ಸ್ಟೇ
issue
ಇದ್ದಾಗ
and-
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಂಟರಿಮ್
ಇದೆ.
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್.
ಹೌದು.
Sorry. Earlier to
ಉಂಟಾ?
that also.
ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಕೋರ್ಸಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ.
Coercive steps ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, but investigation ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇಮಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ.
87 or
87 ಇದೆ.
ಓ, ಅದು ಉಂಟಾ ಇದು?
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ, ಸರಿ.
But he is involved in murder cases also, my lord.
ಓ, ಅದು 87.
No, no,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
that
ಅಲ್ಲ.
is of assault case.
He is involved in murder case.
Please. In total 33 cases he is involved.
All murder?
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
not
ಇಲ್ಲ.
all murder, only one is
One
murder.
murder.
Rather than that, in all kind of cases he is involved in.
ಯಾರ್? This is
Hate
the,
speech 307,
Oh, the-
53, IT Act,
ಯಾರು that ಪುನೀತ್?
Puneet Kerehalli.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೇಸಸ್?
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಏನೇನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
Objections.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದು.
Formidable objections.
ಅದೇ
You
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
should- Yes. ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Let him take his own time, my lord.
Own time.
Let him go through the objection.
She has become generous today.
ಹೌದು.
Yes. The learned additional, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
Please.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ? Where are the objections?
Objections I have just given.
The learned additional SPP hands over statement of objections. The same is taken on record. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks' time to go through the objections and make his submissions. Rest the matter on 9th April.
Interim
Not
order.
on 9th, my lord, 13th it would be. Please.
April,
Oh, I'm sorry. April is okay.
ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
Yes. ಅದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. All the cases.
My lord said directed one matter to be listed today that has not come on
It's not
board
come?
today, my lord. Can it, no, my lord, can it be,
Compliance not done.
my lord, comply, no office objections have been notified for last 2 days.
That
my
is,
lord.
the information is compliance is not done. Ask your whoever advocate is here to go and check it up. If it is complied, it will come tomorrow.
Swami,
Great, obliged.
Call the case.
Swami, vacating stay 27
Getting
ಗೆ
stay
list
according to
ಆಗಿತ್ತು
the year
Swami.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Swami, 27 ಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು,
According to the
sitting
year
ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ
only,
Swami.
yes. FR number, ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ?
ನಂದಲ್ಲ
Pharmacy ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? Nisha madam, it is still in FR number, it is not compliant. Ask your advocate to comply. If it is compliant, it will come. Yes.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 27 ಗೆ
Form
ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Where is your Form C?
ಅದು
Reject ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? I will not give you audience. Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
First go and set that right. Yes. Next.
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, Form C ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಐ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
No,
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
we'll see. Yes.
10 ರೂಲ್
Come according
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ
to seniority, yes.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 10 ರೂಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Yeah.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
It will come according to
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ
seniority. Next,
ತೊಂದರೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದರಿಂದಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್
Call the
ಕೊಡಿ
cases,
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
call the cases.
Just one. Seal number one.